Hello my beauties and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make an amazing oil-free dressing. I am also going to show you how I put together a salad after I was finished creating this amazing dressing. I will list all necessary ingredients in our description box, but we're starting with 2 cloves of garlic, dill, and some parsley. We're going to put that right into my handy dandy Vitamix, which has truly shown to be one of the best investments ever. We're also going to take 1 lime. We are going to massage it out to make it easier to squeeze the juice out. We're going to put that right into our blender as well. We're going to put a shallot, the whole thing, baby, into the blender, plus some water, good quality water, please. And then, of course, we're going to put in some organic or roasted garlic tahini. I love garlic. If you try this recipe and you did not want to do garlic tahini, you can do regular tahini. This is your world. I am just here trying to give you some ideas for healthy eating. Then I'm going to do a splash of rice vinegar right into our blender as well. And then we blend, we blend, we blend, we blend, we blend. I'm going to show you in a second here the spices that I ended up adding. I'm adding some raw local honey. When it comes to honey, please get raw, please get local. If you don't like honey, you could definitely do a maple syrup or like agave, something like that. Spanish smoked paprika, salt and pepper to taste, and then this is the consistency. If you want it a little thicker, ease up on the water, ease up on the rice wine vinegar, but you guys, when I tell you it turned out amazing, you could literally drink this stuff. Now this is kind of the finished product after I was done putting together the salad. I'm going to just show you all of the veggies that I used. Does anybody else find it therapeutic, like when you hear vegetables chopping, or is it just me? Anyways, we're going to start to build this salad with some astringent arugula down at the bottom, and then we're going to put on our broccoli and our red onions, and we're just going to try to make this fancy and beautiful and put a lot of love into this salad. When you are cooking, make sure you're doing it with love in your heart, because this transfers into your vegetables, and if your family's eating it, that is what nourishes the body as well. So do all things with love. And of course, you don't have to use the veggies that I'm using. You can use whatever veggies you like, whatever floats your boat. This is just the blend that I happen to love and have on hand. Get as creative as you like, so that you actually enjoy what you're eating. I also ended up topping this, and it's not shown at the end of the video. I ended up topping it with some salad seeds from Go Raw. You can find these on Amazon. They just add delicious crunch, texture, and flavor to the salad and personality. And then, of course, again, use your dressing here and just enjoy. You can eat. I ate this whole bowl and did not feel any guilt at all. So definitely make sure you leave a comment in the comment section, subscribe, like the video, and I ate some sweet potato with it too. I appreciate you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.